Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can cancel Shopify subscription. Now the first thing you need to do, guys, you wanna log in. Okay, now after you cancel Shopify subscription, you won't be able, guys, to import products. You won't be able to use your Shopify store. It's going to be inactive. Okay, it's going to be closed within a few hours, and you will be able to check it. Like you can see, for example, if you have sales there, you can see the transaction, stuff like that, but you will not be able to use it. It's going to be inactive. Okay, now the first thing you need to do, guys, you want to log into your Shopify store, and as you can see, only have like 3 products here. Now they are active. Okay, as you can see. Now after I cancel the subscription, I will not be able, guys, to, like, this store will be unavailable. People will not be able to complete the checkout. Okay, now what you need to do, guys, if you want to cancel the Shopify subscription, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and you want to click on plan. Okay, now you need to cancel the plan, but before you do that, you want to click on apps and sales channels and make sure you cancel any app subscription. This is a huge mistake a lot of people make, is when they want to close their Shopify store, they forgot the app subscriptions. They pay for specific apps, but they think that after they close their Shopify store, the app subscription will stop charging, the app will stop charging their credit card. Now that's not true. They will keep charging the credit card because they have no idea if you have closed your account or not. Okay, now if you are paying for an app, you need to cancel the app subscription. Now after you cancel the app subscription, you want to click on plan, and you want to click on deactivate store or deactivate trial, because it says for me deactivate trial because I'm not paying for subscription, paying for Shopify plan. Okay, now for you will find something like deactivate store here or something like that. Now you want to give the reason to Shopify why you are deactivating the store, and then that's it. You click continue, and then click enter the password here, and then click deactivate store and follow the steps. So that's exactly, guys, how you can deactivate your Shopify store. If this video helped you, please drop a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works. See you in the next video.